Hello, good morning, friends. Welcome to our channel. In this chapter, we discuss on maps, and in the previous chapters, we discuss the whole solar system. In chapter 2, we discuss globe latitude and longitude. In the chapter 3, we discuss motion of Earth, and particular in this chapter, we discuss or we represent the what is maps, how many types of maps are present on the real scenario. So let's get started right now. First question is this: what is map, right? Because we discussed about map. So first question is what is map? The map is a representation or a drawing of Earth's surface, right? Particular Earth surface we can represent the Earth surface on a map is called map, and which can be according to scale, which can according to the title, which can according to the direction. Whole characteristics are present that can we say a map, right? So here we can say we can arise the question that this image is a map or a sketch, right? So particular is this this is a sketch because there is no direction information, no title, and no index. Index is here, but there is not a scale, right? So these characteristics are present if in this diagram, then we can say this is a map, right? So अगर आपके पास से कोई मैप कोई भी इमेज हो उस पर सरफेस का रिप्रेजेंटेशन हो और वो अकॉर्डिंग टू स्केल अगर होता है तो उसको हम मैप कहेंगे, राइट? Now, there are many types of maps present on the earth. First one is physical map. Physical map is shown natural features on the earth such as mountains, such as plateaus, such as plains, rivers, oceans, or called physical map, or we can say relief feature map. Because in this particular map here, the brown color is demarcated the highland, and the this color is visible or showing the lower land in the map, right? So particularly if we can say any map present natural features like mountain, plateau, plains, rivers, oceans is called physical map. Another one is political map, and we can say second type of map is political map. Political map showing cities, towns, villages, and different countries, state of worlds, their boundaries, that can include in the map is called political map. So here this image is particularly the political map because here the all the state information is present, and whole district or town cities are presented in this image, and this is a physical map because here the Himalaya, their plateaus and rivers are visible in this map. So this entire map is called a physical map, and this map is called political map, right? Now another one is a third type is thematic map. Thematic map are the focusing on the specific information like road maps, rainfall, or that can show showing the distribution of forest industries, or called thematic map because that can specified on the specific information of road map, rainfall map, map showing another informations like forest industries, mortality rate, fertility rate, and many more things. Here three components are on maps: distance, direction, and symbol, right? If we see particularly distance, time, scale, symbol on the particular map, we can say this is a map. And otherwise we can say this is a sketch, right? So firstly, we discuss on the first slide that can revise now. This type of colorful maps are called thematic maps because here injury mortality rate of the 2008 scenario or a situation visible in this map, or can say this sketch, right? So these types of maps are called thematic map. Another one important from this chapter is symbols. Symbol, railway symbols, road symbols, boundaries, rivers, temples, post office, settlement, and another more things are identified, or we can say demarcated on the map, because all the information in the form of this is identified broad gauge, this is meter gauge, this is railway station. So this short form are used in the map to identify the proper information, right? So keep in mind these informations, if seen in the map, or the can say we can say map, and otherwise we can say this is a sketch. So proper, this image is a sketch because there is no title, there is no direction information, there is no scale information. So particularly we can say this is map. If the map is representing earth surface and according to scale, this can say this is a proper map, right? So that's all from my side in this chapter. Keep watching, stay safe, and subscribe and like this video. Thank you a lot.